Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for a fun, easy dessert to bring over to a New Year's Eve party, I have you covered. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to decorate these glamorous New Year's Eve cupcakes. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. So let's put on our chef's coats, and let's get baking.
To make this video, I baked the cupcakes using my vanilla cake recipe using gold and silver cupcake liners. While those were in the oven, I made some of my homemade buttercream. To give the cupcakes a glamorous party look, I used these party champagne glasses that you can find at any craft or party store. I filled the stems with either gold or white pearl sprinkles. Once the cupcakes were cooled, I placed them into the glasses based on the cupcake liners. I filled the piping bag and using a large star tip, I piped the buttercream in a spiral. Added some gold and white crystal sprinkles to give them some sparkle. I also topped off the cupcakes with 2023 inspired cupcake toppers to help bring in the new year. And now you're ready for your New Year's Eve party with these festive, glamorous cupcakes.
That is it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. Also, share this video with your friends and family and tell them to subscribe as well. It's totally free to subscribe and we have a lot of fun on this channel. These cupcakes really were super simple to make and they came out terrific. They are sure to pair very well with a glass of champagne and be the hit of your New Year's Eve dessert table. If you recreate these New Year's Eve cupcakes or any other desserts I've made on this channel, please DM me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. I would love to see your creations. Hope everyone's staying safe and well. Enjoy your glamorous cupcakes and Happy New Year. Bye!